Benefits of trade because countries are endowed endowed with different assets and natural resources. Some may produce the same good more efficiently and sell it more cheaply than others. Countries that trade can take advantage of the lower prices available in other countries. Here are some other benefits of trade. It increases in national global standing. It raises a nation's profitability, creates jobs in import and export sector, expand products variety, encourage investment in country globally. Criticism of trade. While the law of comparative advantage is a regular feature of introductory economics, many countries try to shield local industries with traffic subsidies or other trade barriers. One possible explanation comes from what economists call rent seeking. Rent seeking occurs when one group organizes and lobbies the government to protect its interests. For example, business owners might pressure their country's government for traffic to protect their industry from inexpensive foreign goods which could cost the livelihoods of domestic workers. Even if the business owners understand trade benefits, they could be reluctant to sacrifice a lucrative income stream. Moreover, there are strategic reasons for countries to avoid excessive reliance on free trade. For example, a country that relies on trade might become too dependent on the global market for critical goods. Some development economists have argued for tariffs to help protect infant industries that cannot yet compete on the global market. As those industries grow and mature, they are expected to become a comparative advantage for their country. What are the types of trades? Generally, there are two types of trade: domestic and international. Domestic trades occur between parties in the same countries. International trade occurs between two or more countries. A country that places goods and services on the international market is exporting those goods and services. One that purchases goods and services from the international market is importing those goods and services. What is the importance of trade? Trade is essential for many reasons, but some of most commonly cited one are lowering prices, becoming or remaining competitive, developing relationships, fueling growth, reducing inflation, encouraging investment, and supporting better paying jobs. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Trade offers many advantages such as increasing quality of life and fueling economic growth. However, trade can be used politically through embargoes and tariffs to manipulate trade partners. It also comes with language barriers, cultural differences, and restrictions on what can be imported or exported. Eventually, intellectual property theft becomes an issue because regulations and enforcement methods change across borders. The bottom line trade is the exchange of goods and services between parties for mutually beneficial purpose. People can contribute trade to improve their circumstances and quality of life. It also develops relationships between government and foster friendships friendship, and trust.